Welcome to Weight Loss Innovation Channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the keto diet. We'll explore the best foods to keep you on track with your low-carb, high-fat lifestyle. Whether you're a keto newbie or a seasoned pro, this list is for you. 1. Understanding keto basics. Before we jump into the food list, let's quickly understand what keto is all about. It's a diet focused on low-carb, high-fat foods that aim to put your body in a state of ketosis. This means your body burns fat for energy instead of carbs. 2. Meats and poultry. Meats are a staple in the keto diet. Go for grass-fed and organic meats when possible. Chicken, beef, pork, lamb, and turkey are all excellent choices. Remember, the keto diet loves fat, so don't shy away from fattier cuts of meat. 3. Seafood. Seafood, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fats and perfect for keto. Avoid breaded or sugar-marinated versions to keep your carb count low. 4. Low-carb vegetables. Not all veggies are keto-friendly. Stick to low-carb options like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. These are packed with nutrients and fiber while keeping carbs in check. 5. Cheese and dairy. Cheese is a keto favorite. Choose full-fat cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella, brie, goat cheese, and cream cheese. Full-fat yogurts and butter are also great, but watch out for added sugars in yogurts. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are perfect for snacking. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds are all keto-friendly. Just be mindful of the portion sizes, as they can be high in calories. 7. Healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial for keto. Include avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, and MCT oil in your diet. These fats help keep you full and energized. 8. Berries and sweeteners. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries can be enjoyed in moderation. For sweeteners, opt for stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit. These are low in carbs and keto-friendly. That wraps up our list of keto-friendly foods. Remember, keeping a balanced and varied diet within these food groups is key. And before you go, if you're looking to personalize your keto journey, I've got something special for you. Click the link in the description below to access your very own custom keto diet plan. This tailored plan will help you achieve your health and fitness goals with a diet that's designed just for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your eating habits and your life. Click the link now and start your personalized keto journey today. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more tips, and share your favorite keto foods in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.